got you. What is happening here?
What is happening? I'm trying to find the end of the cable. I'm the cable guy.
A few weeks ago we get a request for very special combination of graphics plastic seat cover for 701. I'm pretty sure many of you guys know about this design or bike. I'm not sure who did it back in the days, probably 5 years ago, but definitely we are not doing copies. However, this customer chose us for some few reasons. We are able to do graphics for 701, but mainly because we have also black plastics what he needs for this project. Hopefully we will figure it out because we are in the process now to do this flowing seat cover with a graphic design. Final draft is done, everything is ready, we are starting production. I am in Horna Streda with my camera guy, 50 kilometers away from our office. We come here to visit our friends. They own Husqvarna shop. They are selling Husqvarna motorcycles, Fox gear, shift.
No čekám to tam, mamušo.
Motorku nemáte tam?
Chcete robiť tuna?
To pôjde.
Že túto ti posuniem
Nie, to je pôjde úplne.
No však nech máte dobrý záber.
Jaj? No tak
Vieš, tak
tu to môže
no
dať.
jasne, to tam prebrala.
We are back in our factory. Prototype cover what we did was pretty good. We need to adjust few things, so my colleague Lenka will produce new cover exactly to fit with the line, with the flow what I was talking about. And today we should be able to finish this order because this is last missing piece. So enjoy, watch her how she's doing.